Drop your shit, grab your gap.
Hello, today we'll be doing a Catback exhaust install on a 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Start off by raising the car up in the air. Once the car is raised up, you are now able to locate and look at exactly what you're going to be removing today. Start off by removing the two bolts holding the muffler system to the mid pipes. Once you've done that, you're now able to remove the muffler from the stock hangers. After that, remove the two bolts holding the catalytic converter to the exhaust piping. After that is done, add some lubricant to the exhaust hanger in the rear so you're able to remove it with ease. Using a pry bar or flathead screwdriver, wedge between the exhaust hanger and pull apart. Once that is done, you are able to remove the exhaust piping. Here's a small comparison from the old stuff to the new stuff. Now you're able to install the new exhaust piping with the new metal flange between the catalytic converter and the muffler piping. Install that and tighten both the bolts down, and make sure they are really tight. Now you can reinstall the new rear section using the stock muffler hanger. If you need to, add more lubricant to make it slide in. Now you can install the new muffler system using the stock factory hangers. Slide it on one side at a time. Now you're able to finish up the install by installing the rest of the piping with the new metal gasket given to you in the kit. Make sure you bolt everything up properly and fine and secure. Tighten both sides of the bolts down in order to make them snug and secure into the place. Install the piping between the muffler and the exhaust tubing using the metal gasket as well. Now make sure you tighten all the hardware down and take a look at what you installed. Now enjoy your new DNA motoring Catback exhaust system.
P.I.G.